Today we're tackling a tough but crucial topic, coping with project failure and learning from setbacks. In our journey as project managers, we all face challenges and sometimes things don't go as planned. Let's explore how to turn these experiences into opportunities for growth. First, let's define project failure. It's not just about missing a deadline or going over budget. It can range from minor setbacks to complete derailment of project objectives. Understanding the spectrum of failure helps us frame our responses more effectively. Many factors can lead to project failures. Common causes include poor planning, unclear objectives, or inadequate resources. For instance, imagine a project where the scope was not clearly defined, a classic setup for challenges down the line. Dealing with failure isn't just a logistical challenge, it's an emotional one too. It's normal to feel disappointment or frustrated. The key is not to dwell on the negatives, but to adapt to a learning mindset. Encourage your team and yourself to view setbacks as a growth opportunity. So, how do we learn from failures? Start by conducting a thorough post-mortem of the project, or traditionally known as lessons learned. Ideally, what went wrong and why? What was it, a planning issue, a communication breakdown? Gather feedback from your team and stakeholders. This reflective process is invaluable for future success. There's a concept known as failing forward, using failures as stepping stones. I've seen projects where early setbacks lead to reevaluation, resulting in better, more robust future strategies. It's about harnessing the lessons from failures to enhance future performance. So, to reduce the likelihood of future failures, incorporate best practices like regular risk assessments, clear communication channels, and an adaptive project methodologies. Remember, the goal is continuous improvement, being better prepared for the future challenges. In conclusion, coping with project failures is an integral part of the project management journey. It's about resilience, learning, and adapting. Every setback is a chance to refine your skills and come back stronger. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Remember, in the face of failure, there's always an opportunity to learn and grow.